You ain't never heard about the Strat?
You don't know about the Strat, and you call yourself a trader?
It's your boy Cam G, 1/5 of Alpha Pack Trading Group. And today, we're going to be learning about the Strat, the hottest trading strategy out. Now, some of y'all may be thinking, Cam G, what's the Strat? Can it really make me rich? Well, my friend, let me tell you, the Strat is no joke. It's a powerful tool that allows you to make informed trades. It's the most powerful trading tool. This is how us at Alpha Pack, this is how we have such a high win percentage. This is how we go and target those 1000% plays. It allows you to make informed trades and stack your money. And you know, we only here for the money. The Strat was created by legendary trader Rob Smith. That boy good. So let's break it down. What is the Strat? The Strat is all about 4 universal principles. The first thing you must understand when trading the Strat, there are only 3 scenarios that can happen when you look at each candle. The candle types that you need to know are 1s, 2s, and 3s. Just like you learned your ABCs, it's really that simple. Now, the way that you're going to identify what type of candle that you're looking at is first, you got to do like Beyonce and look to the left, to the left. So once you look to the left, and if you see that it doesn't pass the high or the low of the previous candle, that's a 1 or an inside bar. Next, we got 2s. Now, 2s are different because they come with directions. 2s can either be up or they can be down. Simply, when you look to the left, it'll break one side of the previous candle, whether it's the high or it's the low. For instance, if you look to the left and it only took out the high of the previous candle, that's a 2-up candle. Or if you look to the left and it only took out the low of the previous candle, that's a 2-down candle. You feel me? And last up, we got the 3s, no Steph Curry. When you look to the left, this candle is gonna take out the high and it's gonna take out the low. That's known as a 3 candle or outside candle. A little bonus game I'll give you. If you look and you see that price action has been stuck within 1 candle, it won't pass the high or low of that candle. That's known as a mother bar. Those are powerful. Whenever those levels are broken, now that you know the 3 candle types, now you'll be able to use the reversal codes that come with the Strat. You'll be able to use your 2-1-2s, your 3-1-2s, your 3-2s to be able to catch these reversals. 2 terms that you must learn when trading the Strat is reversals and continuations. Just to keep it simple, a reversal just means that price action is going in a different direction than what it was going in before. And a continuation just means the market is continuing to go in the same direction. So if it was going up, it's going to continue to go up. And if it's a reversal, if it was going up, now it's going down, or vice versa. To be a profitable and consistent trader, you want to catch more reversals than continuations. Here at Alpha Pack, we like to add on continuation plays. And that just means we were already in it, so we bought more contracts. So now that you got the different candle scenarios out the way, now you'll be well equipped to be able to catch the reversal codes that the Strat provides. In the comments, I'll be sure to drop the Strat code cheat sheet. The second universal truth, the Strat also focuses on actionable signals. Now, there are 2 main actionable signals that you need to know. That's a hammer and that's a shooter. Now, the way to be able to identify a hammer is there will be a small body with the longer wick at the bottom. A hammer is an actionable signal because what it's telling you is price action is more likely to go up after it. And on the flip end, you got a shooter. And no, we're not talking about King Von. Now, a shooter, there's going to be a small body at the bottom and there's going to be a long wick at the top. A shooter is an actionable signal because it identifies that price action will most likely move downward. And just to give y'all a little extra game, there are 2 more actionable signals. There are Momo hammers and Momo shooters. Momo just stands for momentum, meaning it was already headed in that direction, and this is just even more confirmation. So if you see a hammer and price action was already going up, that's known as a Momo hammer. Same thing with the shooter. The third universal truth, and my personal favorite, time frame continuity. Time frame continuity is another key part of the Strat. This just means that you're looking at multiple time frames to be able to analyze one stock. The way that I like to think about it, each time frame is like a chapter in a book. Let's say you only read 1 chapter of a book and your teacher gives you a test. Are you going to be able to pass that test? Probably not. That's the same thing when it comes to looking at a stock. If you're only looking at 1 time frame, chances are you don't know the story. Each time frame that you look at is a different chapter. So when you look at all the different time frames, that tells you the full story of the stock. A lot of traders don't win simply because of time frame continuity. The buyers are not in control and the sellers are not in control. So there's conflict. And conflict on your option contracts, that's the quickest way to get clapped and have to start all the way over. To use time frame continuity, you simply want to have more time frames headed in the direction that you want your stock to head. For instance, if I'm looking to do a swing trade, I want to make sure that my higher time frames are all in alignment. And if I'm doing a scalp, I want to make sure that my smaller time frames are all in alignment. Shout out to my brother Fico Jordan, who created the domino theory. One time frame leads to the next time frame. What will this time frame make the next time frame do? So let's say all the time frames were green except for the 4 hour. You would just wait for that 4 hour flip so you can trade it back into continuity. Everything else was already green. That's how you do it. And last, and certainly not least, this is what separates the men's from the boys. Pro stratters from rookie stratters. Broadening formations. Do you draw all of them? Do you just draw some? Here at Alpha Pack, we draw every single one of them. Why? Because we want to know every potential place that price action could reverse. A lot of these levels from a long time ago actually hold up today. Members of Alpha Pack Trading Group could definitely testify to that. They see it on our Zooms all the time. Shout out to my guy, Mr. Check My Resume, one of the gurus when it comes to broadening formations. Broadening formations, they're connecting the highs to the highs and the lows to the lows. Me personally, I like to focus on macro broadening formations because they're going to be the strongest. Give you the levels where price action is more likely to reverse. The higher the time frame that you find the broadening formation, typically the stronger it is. For instance, price action is more likely to break through a daily broadening formation than a yearly one. When you put all four of the universal truths together, it becomes very difficult to lose on your trades. Now, the way that you would put all of this together is you would look for a reversal. See if you see any reversal codes potentially pending. And then you want to look to see, hey, do I have any actionable signals here letting me know which way price action is going to go? And then you want to identify, what are the time frames saying? Is the time frames in alignment? Is there continuity? Or can I trade it back into continuity? And then last but not least, where are the broadening formations? Where is price action likely to reverse? There you have it, my friends. The strat is all about taking full advantage of price action and being able to take the full magnitude whenever these stocks make these moves. And if this video helped you, please drop a like. And if you have any questions about the strat, make sure to drop them in the comments. I'll make some more videos for you. And while we at it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for me one time. Oh, and if you're new to trading and you just need the tools to become a successful, profitable trader, check us out at the 10x Profit Challenge, where we show you not only how to 10x your portfolio, but 10x your life. I've been KMG, aka Mr. Wealthy Soon. Thanks for running with the pack. We out.